How do overfishing, fishing, and bycatch affect the environment? What does it mean for our ocean? I chose this topic because I am versed in this topic and because I know what it means for our ocean. That's why I absolutely want to inform my classmates and hopefully get some helping hands. The fact that our ocean filtered out 70% of our CO2 is very important. So we can forget our ocean. Much worse than the rubbish in the ocean is fishing and all that has to do with it. To understand this, we first have to clarify what overfishing and bycatch mean. Overfishing simply means that more fish are caught than can regrow. Bycatch simply means that not only the target species end up in the fishing net, but also other animal species. These other animal species often belong to the protected species and are mostly also important for the ocean. Sharks, whales, etc. end up in the net as bycatch. These animals, for example, are very important for the ocean and for our environment. But why exactly they are so important? The excretion of a whale removes 40,000 tons of CO2, and one whale ingests about 33 tons of CO2 during its lifetime. That can be compared with 1,500 trees a year. Because sharks are at the forefront of the chain, they are very important for a well-balanced ocean. They are the water police, and regulate everything. Sharks mard animals as well as sick and weak animals. This creates a functioning ecology. The logical consequence of fishing is that the ocean can no longer filter out CO2 due to the decreasing number of whales, and that, due to the few sharks, the fish can multiply so quickly that they practically have not enough food for all fish. That means death for the fish, and for us it is a dead ocean. In summary, I would like to say that the ocean is endangered and that above all we as the new generation should help to save the animals that live in it and to preserve our beautiful and all-important ocean. I also want to make it clear that this does not mean that nobody should eat fish anymore. I would like to convey the message that if you don't need to eat fish, you should stop eating fish. Our future depends on you. Other questions that could be interesting are: if there are no more sharks but enough fish, you couldn't fish to regulate the ocean? Do we actually need fish to live? Can't we check if the fish comes from bad fishing? There should be something like a certificate. In which countries the fishing rules are not being followed?